Once upon a time, in a faraway land, the sun decided to take a day off from shining. The sun thought it deserved a break after millions of years of hard work. Early in the morning, the sun stretched its rays and yawned. "Today, I'll visit Earth like a tourist and see what everyone is up to," the sun said. The sun shrank down to the size of a golden ball and floated down to Earth. It landed in a beautiful meadow, where the grass was green and the flowers were blooming. The sun decided to explore the forest nearby and see what the animals were doing. As it entered the forest, a group of squirrels noticed the glowing ball. "Look, it's a magical orb," one squirrel squeaked, pointing at the sun. The sun chuckled, enjoying its new disguise as a mysterious object. The squirrels started playing with the sun, tossing it around like a toy. "This is fun," the sun thought, feeling lighter than ever. But soon, the sun realized that the sky was growing dark. "Oh no, I forgot my job," the sun exclaimed, realizing it had left the sky empty. The sun quickly floated up to the sky, but it wasn't high enough. On Earth, people began to panic as the day turned into night. "Where's the sun?" they asked, looking out the dark sky in confusion. The sun felt guilty for causing such a mess and wanted to make it right. It decided to shine brighter than ever before, to make up for the lost time. The sun rushed back to the sky, glowing with determination. As it rose higher, the day slowly returned and people cheered. "What a strange day," they said, relieved to see the sun back where it belonged. The sun, now fully aware of its importance, vowed never to take a day off again. But before returning to its duties, the sun decided to finish its little adventure. It flew down to a bustling city and observed the people rushing to work. "Everyone's in such a hurry," the sun noticed, feeling amused. The sun floated into a park, where children were playing and laughing. The sun joined in, pretending to be a glowing ball of light for the children to chase. The children giggled as they tried to catch the sun, never knowing it was the real deal. After a while, the sun moved on to explore more of the world. It visited a beach, where the waves gently lapped at the shore. The sun watched as people relaxed under umbrellas, enjoying the warmth. "This is nice," the sun thought, feeling proud of the happiness it brought. The sun then floated up a mountain, where climbers were reaching the summit. "What a view," the sun said, appreciating the beauty of the earth from above. The climbers, exhausted from their journey, smiled as the sun lit up the peak. The sun continued its journey, visiting deserts, forests, and even the icy poles. Everywhere it went, the sun brought light, warmth, and smiles to people's faces. The sun felt fulfilled, knowing it played a crucial role in everyone's lives. "Maybe I don't need a vacation after all," the sun thought, realizing its purpose. As the day drew to a close, the sun returned to the sky, ready to set. The world below basked in the beautiful colors of the sunset, grateful for the sun's return. "Tomorrow, I'll shine even brighter," the sun promised as it slowly descended. As night fell, the sun dipped below the horizon, bidding the world good night. The stars twinkled in the sky, taking over while the sun rested for the night. The moon, watching over the night, whispered, "Thank you, sun, for another beautiful day." The sun, now resting, smiled, knowing it had done its job well. As the sun slept, it dreamed of new places to visit and people to bring joy to. The sun's journey had taught it that every moment was precious, even for a star. "I am the sun," it thought proudly, "and I will always shine for those who need me." The next morning, the sun woke up early, eager to start a new day. It rose in the sky with a burst of energy, ready to light up the world once more. The birds chirped happily as the sun's rays touched the earth. "Good morning, everyone," the sun greeted, shining brightly over the land. The flowers opened their petals, reaching out to soak in the sun's warmth. The sun watched as the world came to life, bustling with activity. "Today is going to be a great day," the sun said, feeling optimistic. As it climbed higher, the sun noticed a group of travelers setting out on a journey. The sun decided to follow them, curious about their adventure. The travelers hiked through forests, crossed rivers, and climbed mountains. The sun stayed with them, lighting their path and keeping them warm. Along the way, the travelers faced challenges, but the sun's presence gave them strength. "We can do this," they said, inspired by the sun's unwavering light. The sun felt proud, knowing it was helping them achieve their goals. The travelers finally reached their destination, a breathtaking valley hidden in the mountains. They stood in awe, marveling at the beauty of the place. "This is paradise," one of them said, grateful for the journey. The sun smiled, happy to have been part of their adventure. As the day went on, the sun continued to explore the world, meeting new people and seeing new sights. It visited ancient ruins, bustling cities, and peaceful villages. Everywhere it went, the sun brought light, warmth, and happiness. The sun realized that it was more than just a source of light, it was a source of hope. "I am the sun," it thought again, "and I will always be here for those who need me." As the day came to an end, the sun began to set once more. The world below watched in awe as the sky turned orange, pink, and purple. "What a beautiful sunset," people said, taking pictures and sharing the moment. The sun slowly sank below the horizon, feeling satisfied with its day's work. "Good night, world," the sun whispered, ready to rest and prepare for another day. The moon took over, lighting up the night sky with its soft glow. The stars twinkled, creating a magical scene for the night. As the sun slept, it dreamed of new adventures and new places to visit. It thought about all the people it had met and the smiles it had brought to their faces.